Y'all, Raleigh has gotten its second snowstorm in a week, I guess. Yeah, like a week apart. And I don't know how to act about this. I am just like a child because we never get snow. We get like dustings or, some flakes will fall, but we never get snow. Last week we got ice. That's why we were able to go sled. It was going so fast. Y'all, it is just so beautiful. Me and my friend just went on a walk, and I am just obsessed. I just can't get over it. I just can't quit staring at it. I'm sitting outside now because I just can't go home. I just want to sit out here and waller in it, honestly. I'm not because I'm a freeze, but yeah, I just, people in the South don't know how to act when it snows.